These are 8 things I take with me everywhere I go. Do you want to elevate your travel packing game? Well, keep watching because in today's video, I'm going to share with you 8 things I take with me on every single trip. But first, intro. Hello travelers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jeff Heyer and I host a social media nature series. Essentially what that means is I share nature travel content on TikTok, Instagram, and right here on YouTube. Every single week on this channel, I share adventure vlogs where we explore natural places and go on wildlife expeditions all around the world. Occasionally though, I share videos like this one where I share travel insights and answer the big questions that get asked me about my travels. Recently, I've been making quite a few packing list videos and they've become quite popular. I made one for what to pack for a safari, what to take with you on a jungle trek in Costa Rica, but in today's video, I'm going to share with you some things I take with me everywhere I go. Not only are these amazing items to travel with, these are gadgets that will just change your everyday life. They will enhance your lifestyle, and I want to share these items with you today. So all the items I'm mentioning in this video are linked below in the caption. Most of them can be found on my Amazon storefront link, which I highly recommend checking out after this video. So let's jump into it. Safety first, let's start with my vessel first aid kit. This is my absolute favorite first aid kit and something that's always found in my bag. This is from a company out of Canada called Vessel, and what I love about it is that it's so organized and has such a sleek design. So first of all, let's look at the shape. It's a tubular cylinder shape that can slip into any pocket. It's also very light and compact. Now what's cool about it is if we unscrew the top here, we can open it up and pour out all of these tins, which each are really well marked and labeled for what's inside. So in this standard kit, I've got tools, outdoor essentials, clean cut and cover, and also some first aid tape. This is great because I've had first aid kits in the past that are really disorganized and I just need to find like a band-aid and it's just hidden away in a whole pile of stuff. But this is very clearly well marked, well organized, and when you really need it quickly, all you have to do is pour this out and you can find where you need to go right away. And on the bottom of each tin, it'll tell you exactly what's on the inside. So in this outdoor essentials tin, I've got blister pads, burn and pain relief, knuckle bandages, thermometers, and gauze pad. Look how compact this is. Now, what I love about this concept is that you can actually design your very own first aid kit. You can build your own. So this cylinder here comes in 3 different sizes. There's small, medium, and large. This one would be a medium, and you can add which tins you want to add to your kit. So I'm looking at their website here and I'm seeing all of these different options. There's adventure balm, there's even a beeswax candle, there's survivor cord, there's bamboo cloth, pyro putty, first aid tools, zip ties, ammo tin, okay. There's a fire starting kit and the list goes on. So for general travel, I take this mid-size canister, but maybe for backcountry trips that are multiple days long, a little bit more intense, I plan to bring the large one with as many tins as possible. And when you're all finished with it, you just slip it right back in there like so. So what's amazing about this is you can actually exchange the standard cap for a whole bunch of different options as well. You can turn this into a flashlight, you can turn it into a little lantern. There's also a carabiner one, which just makes this like multi-purpose. Vessel first aid kit, definitely recommend. The second thing I take with me everywhere I go would be my toothbrush. This isn't any toothbrush though, this is my Surrey toothbrush. This is an item I recently discovered. It's a fairly new company, but I absolutely love the concept. So I discovered this because I was looking for a light, compact electric toothbrush I could take with me, something that could easily fit in my bag. And when I found this brand, I knew it was exactly what I was looking for. So functionally, it's really small and lightweight, and the battery lasts over a month. Yes, that's right, over a month. And it comes in its own little case, which is super nice. It kind of keeps the brush protected when it's in your bag. And what's really cool about this case, which you can charge it right in the bottom here, is that there's a UVC light in it. So I'm gonna open this up and show you. If you see right here, you can press this button and it will illuminate this UVC light, which helps disinfect the brush head. How cool is that? You could also set this up in your bathroom. I love the just really small, simplistic, minimalist charger here. They call this the Pebble that you can charge it on. There's also a mirror mount, which just sticks it right onto your mirror. It's so nice, so clean, so sleek. I love it. But the main thing about this brand is that it's very eco-conscious and sustainable. So this concept was born out of the idea that over 4 billion toothbrushes get disposed in landfills and our oceans every single year. So the idea behind this is that they wanted to create a compostable, fully recyclable toothbrush head. So the head here is made of plant-based products. It's made primarily of cornstarch, but the bristles are made of castor oil. So the body here isn't meant to ever be disposed. You can send this in and the company will repair it for you. But when you're finished with the heads, you can compost it or you can send it free of charge back to the company and they'll recycle it for you. Absolutely love this idea. Super cool concept. It works great. Love the design, and this is definitely something I had to include on this list. Perfect for the eco-conscious traveler. So the third item I bring with me is AirPod Pros. I know, kind of basic, but it really deserves a shout out because I literally use these every single day and on every trip I go on. It was a game-changing purchase. I love that it's noise canceling because I will spend easily 8 hours straight on an international flight editing my videos using these AirPods. I don't hear any background noise, no jet engine. It's also very relaxing to create a calm, quiet environment in your head when you're traveling. This thing is amazing, and I don't really need to explain it because you've probably heard of it by now, but it definitely deserves a shout out. Also, I have a cute little case on it. AirPod Pros. Item number 4 would be my Lark PureV water bottle. This item has officially become my bestie. It's appeared in countless videos by now, but you can see it in my backpack in all of my travel videos because it literally is always with me. Of course, in general, it's encouraged to use reusable water bottles, but not only that, one that can clean itself. Newsflash, water bottles are really gross, and we're supposed to clean them all the time and never do. But might as well just bypass that step and get a bottle that'll clean itself for you. So this is a really cool concept. This was a Shark Tank product. How this works is you fill it up with water wherever you are in the world, you screw on the cap, and then you press this button on the top which illuminates a UVC light, and this light then kills 99% of the bacteria contained in the bottle. This cycle goes off automatically every 2 hours, is completely silent, and only lasts 20 seconds each cycle. The battery lasts a really long time. I took this on my trip to Costa Rica recently and didn't charge it once. That trip was almost 17 days long. I love this because it adds peace of mind to the water I'm drinking as well, because sometimes we refill our bottles from questionable sources. And this is just an extra layer of protection for you, which is something I really love. Just like the vessel canister, you can exchange the cap for a different type. They have actually a filter straw. So if you plan to do some more adventure travel and want to collect water from natural sources, you can bring with you this cap and you can run the cycle with the UVC light and then exchange it for the life straw, and it's a 2-in-1 deal. If you want to get a Lark PureV water bottle, it's easy to do so. All you have to do is visit the link in the caption below and you can get your very own. The next item I want to mention on this list, people are always really impressed by. This is an SD card reading dongle. So what this is if you travel with your DSLR camera, you can take the memory card out of your camera, stick it into this dongle, plug it into your phone, and import photos directly from the memory card to your camera roll. This makes it super easy to transfer data from one device to another. So what I love about this is when I travel with a group of friends, I'm taking pictures all day long. They all want the photos that they're interested in. So rather than me organize it for them each day of the trip, I just give them the memory card and let them pick them out themselves. So I pass this around, everyone picks which photos they want, and that's it. All right, item number 5 would be this charging block. So this is a really old charging block, but I just want to mention that I love this type of charging block. And I have one in my Amazon storefront, but this isn't the exact one you'll see there. I actually got this when I was 15 years old from some random guy on a plane, and I still use it because it's so nice. And what I love about it, besides having multiple charges, is that the cord is built into the block. So you don't need to remember to have a charging cord with you because that always gets lost and tangled up. But here it's just like, it slips right out, which is so nice. And same goes for how to charge it. You just kind of flip down these tongs and plug it right into the wall, which makes things so much easier. It deserves a shout out. This comes in handy, especially when I'm away from power sources. This is great to travel with. Portable charger. All right, item number 6 would be this really cool charging adapter. This one block can plug into all of these different countries: USA, Canada, UK, EU, which is the majority of my travel. All I have to do is slide these switches and out comes the appropriate adapter to wherever it is you're traveling. It's really well labeled, very compact, very nice. It's been working great for years. I've had this for so long, and I still use the block as well because, as you can see, it can split one plugin into 4 USB ports. There are many different brands that offer similar products, but I have usually gone with Sublimeware because, again, it's been very durable, it's worked great, and it's very light and compact, which I love. All right, and the 8th and final item I take with me everywhere I travel would be an eSIM. This is actually not a physical item I pack with me. This is all electronic, a virtual item. And I want to mention it as the 8th item because when I discovered it, it became a game changer for how I connect cellular data anywhere in the world. So I'm not going to do the whole long-winded explanation for what an eSIM is in this video because I have a whole video on my YouTube channel about this concept. And if you want to know more, you should definitely watch it. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to kind of give you a general idea for what it is. eSIMs are electronic SIM cards. SIM cards are what we use to connect to local data providers. So in the past, when we travel to new destinations, we purchase a local SIM card, we would put that into our phone, and that would allow us to access cellular data in that country. But nowadays, with new technology, we are using eSIMs. If you aren't up to speed, it's time to get with the program because eSIMs eliminate the physical card and allow you to get and purchase cellular data plans anywhere in the world. So I have used a service called Airlo recently, which covers over 200 regions and countries around the world. They are super cheap, affordable, and easy to install eSIMs, which have worked great. I absolutely love it. If you've watched my eSIM video, you would have seen that I have purchased numerous physical SIM cards over the years that have been very expensive. And nowadays, I now use this service, which has slashed the price and made it super easy altogether. So if you want to learn more about what I mean by all this, I have a video about it that explains it all. And I also have a link below that'll take you right to the Airlo app. You download this app, and right from there, you can shop for all the data plans that they offer and connect instantly and affordably all around the world. And that is my list. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it gave you some ideas for yourself to elevate your packing game, maybe give you some gift ideas for someone you know that loves to travel. All these items I absolutely love. They're tried and tested brands. They've become indispensable in my lifestyle, and I absolutely love them. Again, all of these items or versions of it are linked below, whether it takes you right to the company website or my Amazon storefront. I definitely recommend checking out those links. And you guys, if you found this video helpful and interesting, I definitely encourage you to hit subscribe. I greatly appreciate you being here and supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Safe travels and enjoy all your new travel gadgets. Till next time.